That's incomplete.
Hey, what's up, guys?
$1.09 now for Ole Miss.
Doing sandwich from Checkers. Brisket. Barbecue brisket. Have this on it. You can get like a huge one or this size. Something new on their menu. Having this for dinner tonight. According to me, my dad, some outdoor dash for dinner. Got this from Checkers and something from Fox News. But we're going pretty steady today, like it usually does at the mall. There's been in the 20s that we had snow. We did. How's the weather where you guys are at? How's your guys' Thursday been? Having a Busch Light as well. And they got these Philly cheese bites that I got as well. There's 4 of them in there.
down Bentley. The 7-0 Ole Miss leads this game. Gain of 9 yards for Ole Miss. Oh, okay, there's the first down.
What would I rate those? What's the age? Between 0 and 10? I think give them both about. Hey, that's how good they were.
They're beating it to
Oh,
Bentley.
that's drinking it. Bush Lake.
An 8-yard pickup.
Good Bush Lake. What you guys have to get for dinner though?
Touchdown Bentley. Ole Miss just scored.
I'm gonna do a shot for you guys real quick.
And the field goal's good. Yeah, 14-0. Ole Miss leads. Duke.
My next live, y'all take it easy. Have a good one. See ya. Till my next videos, I'll take it easy. Have a good one. See ya.